I'm doing this again. Hello, Liam. This is how to solve a clock using bpaul. Okay, so as I said, try and get like the top and the center on the front, but if it doesn't exist, just like make it close. And then yeah, so memorization. First thing you memorize is how many ticks this needs to get to this. So top needs to get to middle, so -1. And second thing you memorize is how many ticks left needs to get to top left, so 0. Plus from the Y2, how many ticks left needs to get to top, which is 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. And then the third thing you memorize is back on the front, how many ticks left needs to get to top, so -5. And then from the Y2, the fourth thing you memorize is how many ticks right needs to get to bottom, so -1. Plus from the front, how many ticks left needs to get to bottom, how many ticks right needs to get to bottom right, which is 5. And you add the 2, so -1 plus 5 is 4. And then the final thing you memorize is how many ticks the bottom needs to get to the middle, which is -5. So in total, our memorization is -1, 2, -5, 4, -5. And then you do Y2 to start, and then all pins except for DL up, and you do M1 with your left hand on the bottom clock. I recommend using pinky. And then the second number on right hand. And then both the right pins up. And on the left hand, you do the third number you memorized, which was -5. And then on the right hand, you just match the top clock to the left clock, like that. And then put just the bottom right pin up, and you want to build this 2x2. So with the left hand, you match this to these two. And right hand, again, as you recommend using pinky, you just match it. And then put all the pins except for UR up, and do the fourth number you memorize with the left hand, which is 4. And then the fifth number you memorize with your right hand, which is -5. And then put both left pins up, and with your left hand, match with the bottom clock to the right clock. And with the right hand, match the top right clock to the bottom left clock. Just like that. And then with just the UL pin up, match the 2x2 with these two. And with the right hand, match this clock to these two. And put the top left and bottom right pins up. And then this is just the AUF of clock. So match everything to 12. And that's solved.